Let's wash her face.
Just trying to make sure he's settled, comfortable, things are moving through like they need to be. Ladies, have a good night.
Alright, so I got a couple headbands. Little bears on the feet. Here's a hat. Or, I think I'm gonna do the bow. I'll do the bow today. To let you know, I can't see shit. Like, I can't see anything. Like, this has to be like this for me to see it without my glasses. What the hell is leaking? Something's leaking. Oh, I think it's this. I left it on the side and it melted. Oh well, I'll wash it off. It's the Peeps Healthy Feet. My feet are so smooth and luscious. Let's go wash my face. This ugly face of mine. But I have, like, you see the little bumps? They look like little pimples, but they're not. I forgot what they're called. But I get them for no reason. I don't know why. See, look right there. I get them here. I get on my eyelids too. Yep, right there. See that bump? You know how many times I try to squeeze that? But it's so hard. It's like a thick skin and it won't come out unless I stick the needle in it. One time it was bothering me so bad I stuck a needle in it and it came out, and then a couple months later it grew back. So unless I go to a dermatologist where they can cut it and get the sac that's holding it together, if you don't get the sac of pimple and stuff, that shit's gonna come right back. So let's go wash my face. I just wet my face, then I take the Naturium niacinamide jelly and I just wash it. Sometimes I would even leave it on for over 5 minutes, because you could do that, it says, like for a mask. So I would put it on while I'm taking a shower, wash my body and stuff, and then take it off last. Then I use the PMD, rinse it, and then I just massage the face. Massage the face. I go real hard on my nose so I can get in there, scrub, and right here. Everywhere else. I like doing my eyes like this softly because it feels so nice. And then I go ham on my forehead because that's where my dryness is. Nowhere else but my forehead. Isn't that weird? What do you think about it? People are kind of oily, some spots dry, other combination skin, and I don't get no oils in my face. Oil in my hair? Whew. I get oil in my hair fast. Very fast. Alright, let me wash this off. So what I was talking about my face getting so dry, and the only thing that helps is my Naturium gelée. I was using this Grown Alchemist scrubber, which did a good job, but then I was using the Glow Recipe avocado, and I didn't think it mixed well. I started getting flaky again, so I went back to my Naturium. That's my safe space. So I have to try this by itself. It feels so nice, so creamy. And the guys, Johnny and Kevin, they love this stuff. So I gotta give it a try by itself with nothing else. So I'll do that. And that's the only ones I have in the bathroom right now. Okay, I start with the 6 Peptide Skin Booster by Cosrx. This has gone viral. I've had it, look at, I'm almost halfway through. Almost half. I got this before it went viral because I love Cosrx so much that I use it. If I see a new thing, I buy it. I wait for a sale though. And I got this on a sale. It cost me like 12 bucks. And then now we got our vitamin C, AHA, BHA vitamin C daily toner from Cosrx. I just put this in my hand and then just tap it in. Tap, 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 tap it in. And then another Cosrx snail mucin. I have the snail mucin niacinamide. Why should I try this one? It's 2-in-1, as you see. But I thought I would finish this first. But I have a brand new bottle of this waiting. But I have this, so I don't know which one to use. I'll use this one, the one I know. I put quite a bit of this. Oh, this didn't even say what it was. This is the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Love this stuff. As you see, look at my bottle. That's what I have. When Prime happened, that's when I got everything. Because everything was super cheap. That's exactly the day I bought it. It was Prime Day. So you know I had that before it came out. And now, after that serum, I used the Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. And if you see I like it, I like it. I love it. You see people using shit and it's almost all the way full. Look at this. People with friggin' small stomachs or stomachs that get queasy thinking that it's boogers or something. And that's what it looks like, but it's amazing. Amazing. My face loves Cosrx. That's why I'm using all their products, because my face loves it. And I never break out. I never get dry skin when I use my Naturium and then my Cosrx products. And then I have the Ordinary Retinol 1%. They have a Retinol 2% cream I want to get. This is an oil in squalene. So that's why I use it my last step. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put on my my eye cream. That's okay. I'll just put moisturizer and everything around it myself.
This is a neighbor looking out for you. Schedule flu and COVID-19 vaccines for you and your family today. Walgreens.
I always bring it down my neck. And that's it. What's that? As you see, I'm getting older. I'm be 40 in November. So I do have, you know, droopiness happening here. Nothing happening here. I don't know how that got there red. Look how red that is. Like I scratched it. And this line right here, I've always had since I was a kid. I never knew why. And it gets red, inflamed sometimes. And I don't pick my skin, ever. As you see, shit's popping up. This is not even a pimple. It's like a bite sign. I got moles everywhere. I have this big one here. Right here. They were going to remove it as a kid because it used to bleed if I pulled it the wrong way. But they just sewed it up better and still have it. But yeah, that's my skincare routine. And if you see my my collection of skincare, I have Keys, I got Murad, I got Dr. B Lab, Glow Recipe, LYS, Selfless by Hiram, Inky List. What else? I have Earth Harbor, Femu. Like I got it all. I gotta try it all. But the Murad, I got 2 cleansers and a toner. But this one's a cleanser, it says. Renewing Cleansing Cream. And this one says Environmental Shield Essential C Toner Lotion. Weird, right? See, I'm not bullshitting. Do you not wash this off? To use AMP, apply evenly with cotton pad over clean face and neck. And then this one is a massage over damp face and neck and rinse and pat dry. So yeah, this is like a toner. I put, it was like milk. It's like so liquidy. Huh, I'm gonna have to try that. This actually sounds fab. It says refreshing pH balanced toner with vitamin A, C, and E. Energizes and helps remove impurities to prepare skin for treatment that follow. So this is supposed to help you clean your face and then you put this on. Okay. I have more little recipe. Oh, the plum serum. Look at it. It's not even open yet. That's what I'm telling you. I have so much skincare. What does this do though? I hate ripping boxes, but I gotta get into it. It says plum serum. The formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum that helps boost skin and youthful appearance with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen and delivers protection antioxidants. For deep hydration, the formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin. Silk protein skin is hydrated instantly and throughout the day. Sounds lovely. Oh, look at the bottle. This is lovely. I'm going to put it right here on my vanity because it looks so nice. Huh. I will be using that. I like the watermelon drops, the moisturizer. So I'll be good with that. I'll try that. I have another one here. Oh look, it's almost empty. That's right, there was a sale on Ipsy and I saw it. It was an add-on. I only paid like 10 bucks for it or something like that. That's genius. Oh damn it. I have this Keys Replenish facial oil. That would be lovely. But I have a bunch. If you want to know my whole collection of skincare products, I will do it. Oh, I have 2 things. No, this is mandelic acid. Is that mandelic acid too? Nope, that's niacinamide in Moroccan. So I have 2 different Self-Light by Harem stuff. Inky List that I haven't used. So I have to try this. Definitely gotta try it. Alright, I'll put that there. Alright, that's all I got for you. If you guys want a tour of all the stuff I got, I'll pull it out so I can show to you guys. And then I get Ipsy every month that gets me new products that I can try and end up loving. And that's it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Deuces.